Hey explorers, welcome back to Robovation Studio. Today, we're diving into 4 amazing OLED projects that you can easily create with Arduino. Whether you're a beginner or a hobbyist, these projects will take your OLED skills to the next level. Let's get started.
Our first project is all about the basics adding text to an old display. This project is perfect for getting started with your old. We'll set up the display, connect it to an Arduino, and display custom messages. This foundational project sets the stage for everything else.
Moving on, we'll add a personal touch by displaying custom images on an old. You'll learn how to convert any image into a format the display can use. Imagine the possibilities: logos, icons, or even art. Next, let's make something fun: a snake game on an old display. We'll bring the classic game to life, complete with controls and real-time movement. It's a great way to explore logic and interactivity in your projects. Our final project is a practical one, a digital ruler using an old display and an ultrasonic sensor. You'll see how to measure distances and display them in real time. It's an excellent blend of hardware and programming.